Hey everyone, the trade of the week, I traded in my Top Step prop account. You can do it, just watch. This week while getting ready for a trade, we noticed on the calendar that there was an employment report, a quarterly report, that wasn't there when we originally designed the schedule. Now we were streaming that report, that's why there are two webcams on the screen, so don't get confused. This is the live webcam for this video. So to make a long story short, we found a new report. We had looked at it previously, quarterly employment report, and I decided we had a couple of videos. It looked like a very interesting report. We traded it in our Top Step account. I had $144 in profit before I started. In an instant, I had over $500 in the account. After the employment report was traded, you could see it had a beautiful move down. We were trading gold futures using the Ninja Trader platform. The price shoots down on the news. It was very, very interesting. A report that we will absolutely make sure it's in our arsenal of trades going forward. A very profitable report. Members who traded it had significant profits as well. $800 for Sal in his evaluation prop account. So keep in mind, you can trade news events using prop accounts. You just have to make sure you choose the right account. All the companies have different rules. We use Top Step. There are many other companies that allow for news trading. So the employment cost index, remember that event, because that's a trade you want to take the next time it comes around. Leigh Goldstein for this week's Trade of the Week, the Employment Cost Index, a quarterly report that moved like a banshee. See you next time in the trade room. Leigh Goldstein signing out.